The Hanover Municipal Corporation has given vendors the green light for Grand Market in Lucy, but not all are in favor. The matter was raised at the recent Municipal Corporation meeting. Andrew Laidley tells us more.
Plans are a go for Christmas Eve Grand Market activities, according to Hanover's Mayor Sheridan Samuels.
It is difficult for us to tell persons that they cannot do any vending. And if you have seen what has happened since we have the closure and everything, vending, there wasn't any restriction on vending. Vending was still going on. Markets were open, but the time period for markets to open has changed to lessen the amount of people to get around.
But while he says the vending locations to facilitate the COVID-19 protocols are to be determined, the 9 p.m. proposed end time is a point of issue.
Curfew starts at 10. So when you take it to 9, what time does the persons have to reach their home?
That is what we have said to them a while ago, that close at 9, you have to reach home by 10.
Right, so it's either going to cut it off by 8 o'clock, the latest. 8 o'clock, and give persons time to pack and to go home, because if they are out in their numbers, we are going to enforce the law.
The spike in COVID-19 cases in neighboring Westmoreland is also raising eyebrows, and with no Grand Market in Montego Bay, some members expect crowds to converge on Lucy if they go ahead with the planned activity.
How do we intend now to kind of hold the amount or prevent the crowds that I am expecting, I'm anticipating that is going to be happening on our Grand Market, because it's going to be putting pressure on the police and it is going to be causing an escalation in COVID. So I think, sir, we need to sit down and see if we can strategize.
Mayor Samuel says public education will have to be undertaken through town criers in the parish. He is also imploring citizens to exercise personal responsibility during the Christmas season. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.